1, Jessica's cooking show.
Okay. Hey y'all, I'm Jessica Kim, and today we'll be making my special ice cream sundae. Okay, first of all, you will need a bowl and a spoon. Now, I have all the ice cream and all that and such. Now all we do is blend that stuff. Just blend it all together. Just blend it all together. And you blend it until you can't blend no more. You can't blend no more. Okay. So what you want to get? A nice ice cream sundae. Now all you will need is now all you will need is a straw, but we don't have straws at the moment, so we had to use a spoon, and so yeah. So thanks y'all again, y'all, for coming to Baldwin. Jessica Kim Cooking Show. Good day.